I was actually surprised when I came in the morning at about 9:45 like that. So many young girls were there in the stall. I was actually surprised and to know that they are all willing to do some business in Goa. This is a good sign for Goa state. And as you know, State Bank of India is having more than 98 branches in Goa, spread over all parts of the Goa. And I will not take much time since already we are running beyond time, I think. Still many guests have to tell about this World Entrepreneur Day. But in short, I will take only 2-3 points. I will request the would-be entrepreneurs as well as the entrepreneurs who are present here. And the main item for today's discussion is in financial literacy for MSME. This is actually very important. Financial discipline has to be there.
Entrepreneur is a person who comes with good ideas, innovative ideas, creates employment generation, creates revenue for the country, and also, above all, he's taking a big risk in his career, and in the end he helps the nation building as well as his country, taking his country forward. When he exports, he brings laurels to the country besides bringing forex to the country. Friends, we are very happy that our progressive and dynamic Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is thinking of MSME day in and day out. He came with an idea to assist MSME by making his life easier by giving him ease of doing business right from registration.
Indeed, I am very happy to be present here at the World Entrepreneurs Day being celebrated here in Goa, observed in Goa. And I for one was very happy when I stepped in the hall next door, because perhaps after a long time I saw all the banks putting up their counters, not that they don't put it up elsewhere, and not only their counters, they were budding youngsters and especially budding young girls with the enthusiasm that I saw and the spirit of lending, which I would say has now come about among the bankers, was something noteworthy, something to be happy about. And it is this spirit which has to be sustained, and it is this spirit which you have to keep forward, keep moving forward, and have new entrepreneurs coming up in Goa to propel our economy and take it to a stage where Goa would perhaps be a nice example for the rest of the country. As you know, Goa is a very small place. It is less than half the size of a district anywhere else in larger states. But we have every bank that matters, right from RBI, State Bank, the lead bank, and then which bank is not there in Goa? How many branches do we have? But if you look at the credit deposit ratio, you have to think about whether it is a healthy side. You need to smoothen the rough edges. You need more compliance. You need the leakages to be plugged. And as some calculations, backhand calculations have been made, even if there is a 10% increase, many places where we have judged in what is the leakage, 40% and 10% of that, we would almost be collecting something like 1,40,000 crores. And once you have that sort of buoyancy coming, we will be able to further lower the rates. We will be able to have perhaps 2 or 3 slabs only. One for, and perhaps one for food, things like food grains, essential commodities, no GST, You know that, 0%. For certain items of day-to-day use of the common man, of low middle income group, at 5%. And then you only have the sin goods like tobacco or alcohol being charged at 28%. And rest of it, we all ultimately want to converge to a level of 18% GST.